Hello and welcome to a brand new video. This video is how to set up the Tassimo Joy by BOSCH. Firstly, you want to insert the power cord into the plug socket and just turn it on. Next, you want to remove any packaging that is on the machine. Shown here, there is usually plastic casing and some cardboard bits inside, so you just want to remove that. Thirdly, you want to remove the tank off the back of the machine and then take out the orange pod that's inside, but also clean the tank just to get rid of any germs and bacteria. Here you want to fill up the water tank with about 0.5 litres of water. I'll just use my tap water and filled it up to 0.5 litres. After that, you're going to replace it and put it back onto the machine, spin it around and open up the flap on top of the machine and place the orange pod that you've just taken out inside the grey cylinder. But make sure that the barcode is facing the glass panel. That way it can read it and tell it's for maintenance to clean the system. After you have done that, just get a mug of any kind and pull it under the machine and just press the on button. This will dispense water for about 30 seconds and just clean out the system. Once that's done, you want to repeat the process up to 4 times. The more that you repeat it, the cleaner the system is going to be. I personally did it 4 times, but you can do it less if you want to. Next, you want to get the Brita filter that came with the machine, unwrap it and submerge it in some water. You can do it in the tank like I've done here or in a bowl of water. And the idea is you want to get all the bubbles out once you put it in. So you can see there all the bubbles came out. Then take it out and assemble the tank together. As you can see here, I've put it back together, and then what you want to do is get that jug and put it underneath some tap water and run your tap water or any water that you're going to be using over the filter, and you can see that it's separating and slowly filtering the water that you've put in, making it cleaner. Just on top of the machine, to access the water Brita filtration system, you want to set it to the percentage that you desire. I went for 100%, so I just have to select it to 100 by tapping it 4 times and then holding it for 5 seconds. Then it will flash and then that activates the system. And now we are completely finished, and you can insert any of the coffee pods that you want in top of the machine and enjoy your coffee. For an extra little tip, you can descale your coffee machine in the future if it gets a bit dirty. You just hold the main button for 5 seconds and then the red icon flashes, and then that does the descaling for you. Thank you for watching. Like and sub for more.